Hey all, welcome back to my channel Girl Engineer, where I make videos about engineering, studying abroad and some daily vlogs. So today's video is going to be about engineering, and that too basically required for CSE and IT students. So today we are going to talk about the basic and the important concept, or we can say like the thing that you can add to your resume which will like boost up your resume. So that's going to be about the technologies required for your final year engineering projects. I know, like the projects are like what project should we create and what technology we have to develop the project and whatnot, like how to choose a team. So like the project phase is like a big nightmare, I can say, for most of them. So in today's video I'm going to like a bit reduce your task, and like I'll try to find out the best technologies for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before I actually tell you all like what technologies you can work on for your projects, I would like to like just give you a short hint or like some small tip which you can take it. Like, for an engineering project you need to prepare a team, so make sure you choose your team wisely so that the work doesn't get too much burden on yourself. So try to choose a group of students who are like interested in the same way you are, like who are interested seriously about their career and seriously about their jobs, so that they won't be a burden for you and that you distribute your works equally and like you can create an awesome project. And the second thing I want to tell you is like you might feel like, who are you to talk about the projects and technologies? So to mention that clearly, I would like to say you all that I have been like a recent pass out student, and I have been developed my project successfully for my final year engineering, and I have also gained some recognitions for that. Like I have went for many competitions and I have nearly made around like 20K just by using my project. So yes, that's the reason why I thought like I should make a video, and I have been getting many messages from my juniors and my friends regarding this, like about what topic should we make a project about, how should be the project, how can we add that in your resume, and all those questions. So I think like this video might help many of them. So yes, that's it, and that was about just a small hint and some small tips. So now let's get started. Okay, so the first technology that I'm going to talk about is augmented reality. So nowadays we are hearing this concept of augmented reality very much, and even my project was on augmented reality itself. So like we can create many stuffs using augmented reality. You just have to do a proper research, and if you want a proper course regarding AR, that is augmented reality, you can just go to Udemy, and Udemy has the best courses regarding augmented reality. Trust me, like you can get n number of contents regarding that, and you can use the same projects by just changing some of the features and some adding some of your own features and making it a bit more innovative as compared to the Udemy projects. Then I can tell you surely that your project is going to be an awesome project. So the second technology that I can talk about is virtual reality. So basically this virtual reality is like you have to wear that headgear or headset, whatever you call it, and you have to make this project using that. So that's going to be really very cool if you do it. Like it's mostly used for game development and all those things, but we can also add that particular concept for your many, what we say, industrial related works. Like suppose you can wear those and you can check out what the uh, like you can create a separate demo training sessions for the person who is sitting somewhere in different country by using those servers and all those stuff. Like it's going to be very cool if you like develop the projects in AR and VR. Like you have to just need some software development tools. Like I personally used IDE called Unity 3D, and Unreal Engine is one more for virtual reality, which helps virtual reality even more to create the projects in it. And then for creating this 3D models and all, you can use Blender, you can use Maya. Like there's a number of platforms available online. You just have to Google it and find the right one. That's it. The third technology is IoT, which is Internet of Things. I know like many of you might have already heard about this Internet of Things, but like if you just dive deeply and refer to some of the research papers and just take the guidance, and then you can develop the IoT projects. And like IoT projects are never going to be out of trend, because like most of the people like to see the magics in our day-to-day lives, and that can be done using IoT. So if you are a person who is like looking into create something else, something new, then you can go for these IoT also. Like AR, VR and IoT, like they work the best, I'll tell you. So you can try for the IoT projects. You just have to do a proper research. There are IEEE papers. I suggest you that before you start any project, if first choose a domain or technology and then read some IEEE papers. That's going to help you a lot. And then once you read that, you get a proper idea and you can start on working on it. So the fourth technology is, I can say it's going to be data science. So we know like a data science is used for those prediction analysis or some creating some dashboards and all those things. So what you can do is you can like just if you add data science projects, then I'll like you can get a good internships or good jobs. If that is the facility available to you, then you can get even good jobs, because data science requires Excel, then it requires machine learning, it requires Power BI tools, that is the visualization tools, it requires Python. So when you're developing this particular project, you get to learn all these different technologies, and like you can do the best, and like that will give you an add-on to your resume, and your resume will be really highlighted a lot. So you can like you just have to do a proper research. Again, as I said, like I'm focusing on the research. You have to read some IEEE papers, or like any papers that's available for you, that's feasible for you. You can just go through it, go for it, and you can develop a good project. And the last one, that is the fifth technology that I focus more on, is Android app development. Like you can develop any apps for, like you can just get a client and you can, based on the requirements, you can like create an awesome app and do a proper research based on that, and then you can like create a very good app. And the app can also be created using all the technologies that I said, like AR, VR, IoT. Like, so you just have to focus on what the need is, and if you like just create an app for it, and it will be handy for everyone. Like you just have to take your phone and walk around, and you can show your app anywhere you want. So like you can get a good job even after this, like after your project gets completed successfully. Then you can, if you can add it on your portfolio or your resume, and if it's the best project, then you can get a good job in your Android app development field. So, and with this, I can just like try to add one more thing, that is like the same thing you can do it for web development also. Like if you're good at that, you can just add these stuffs in the web development, and you can like get the good demand in the field. So yes, and do not forget to add all your projects related information, your achievements regarding the project in your LinkedIn profile, because like if you're trying to search your jobs through LinkedIn, if you are adding this in your profile, then that will like even highlight your profile, and the recruiter who is also searching for a person related in these stuff or these technologies, you will be easily accessible to them. And please be active on your LinkedIn, so that if you get any prize, if you get any recognition for your projects, you can just show that on your LinkedIn profile, and using the hashtags, like you can be recognized everywhere. And if any, like in 100, at least one of the person who is a recruiter might see it, and if they are interested, they might hire you. So yes, like you have to work on your projects very seriously, and try to make it the best. So yes, that's it for today's video. If you have liked my video, please do hit that like button, and also share it with your friends. And if you have any queries, you can please comment them in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe for my channel, because I try to bring most of the videos regarding engineering and studying abroad. And like it's really like 11:30 p.m. right now, and I'm making this video and disturbing my family also. I don't know if they are like able to hear me in this room, the next room. But yes, I'm like taking a lot of efforts to share as much knowledge as I can. So if you have liked the video, please do hit the like button, and please do comment for my comment for the queries you have. And please do not forget to subscribe for my channel. Tata, bye bye, have a good day.